Welcome to my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. For high protein laddu, like I am taking all these things like sunflower seeds, sesame seed, pumpkin seed, cashews, almonds, pecans, and few almonds, few cardamoms, walnut. These are coconut flakes, and oats, cranberry, fennel. So fennel I have taken only 1 tablespoon. So you can skip few if you don't want, like it's good for kids as well. They will also enjoy, and adults, or pregnancy, during pregnancy also it is good. If you want to skip few things, you can skip it, but then I am making with these. So everything will take 1/4 cup, and even we'll use jaggery. So we'll start. What we'll do is first we'll roast it. We'll roast everything, dry roast, nothing, no adding of oil or something. I'll just dry roast it, all these things separately. So we will grind these, and we will like these will go straight like that. No need to grind coconut flakes, this oats and cranberry or fennel. Only these things we will grind it, like coarse grind after roasting. So, and this will we will no need to grind it. So I have kept it separately. So grinded, these all will should be coarsely grinded, and these no need to grind it. Okay, so we'll just dry roast it, and I will show you how it goes. We will use jaggery later, but then first we will dry roast it, and then I will show you how it goes. So we'll dry roast all these things, all the this sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, everything. So we'll dry roast it just for 5 minutes or so on medium flame. So just for 5 minutes we'll dry roast, and then I'll show you how it goes. So after 5 minutes, this is how it looks. So this is good. So we'll just off and set it as keep it aside, and it will cool down, and then we'll grind it. So I'll just keep it aside and let it cool, and then I will grind it and show you. So we'll dry roast this coconut flakes and fennel seeds separately, because we are not grinding it. So I'm dry roasting it separately just for just 2 minutes or so, and then we'll keep it aside to let it cool. So after coarsely, see, this is how it looks after coarsely grinding. So this is good. Then we will take jaggery. So this is about 2 cups of jaggery. If you want, you can take brown sugar, but then I prefer jaggery. So we'll just on medium flame, we'll just cook it on medium flame, and then I'll show you. Here, if you want, you can add ghee or butter, and let it cook for 5 minutes or so on medium flame. Just try to stir it like that, so that it should not stick to the pan. So after 5 minutes we'll check on it. So maybe after 10 minutes, medium to low flame, sorry, this is how it looks, no lumps. So the whole idea is to melt jaggery, so that it's easy for us to mix the laddu, then coarse grinded paste over here. So this is good. At this point we can add our coarse grinded. So this will add slowly like that. So if you want, you can add ghee, your choice, at this point, and try to mix everything. So let me mix it and show you how it goes. So it is mixed nicely. At this point we'll add our oats and coconut flakes and cranberry, dried cranberry, and we'll mix it nicely. You can increase and decrease the quantity if you want. If you want, you can take more of coconut flakes because Satvika likes it. I want to add more, or if you want you can add the this oats as well, and we'll mix it nicely and then I'll show you how it goes. So after mixing everything, this is how it looks. So it's good, like it's a bit hot. At this point you can off the flame and keep it aside, let it cool down, and then we'll go for like shaping the laddu. It will be hot, so after some time we can shape it. See, yeah, we can make it. See, yeah, we can make it like that. So let it cool down and then we'll go for making the shape. So once it cools down, see, we can we are able to make it. It's not going apart. So just take ghee. If you want, you can add ghee like this and then make it like this. If it is falling apart, you can add ghee or butter, and then so any shape, whichever shape, big or small, you can make it. This is how it looks. So I already made few. So again I will show you again. At this time, if you want, you can add chia seeds as well. So I'll take chia seeds just like this and then mix it. Right. Like chia seeds is optional. Like if you want, you can add, or else you can skip it. It's just that it's there, so I thought let me add it. So this is good for prasadam also, and prasadam and nevedyam. So you can do it like this. So festival is all around the corner, so we can do it like this. So just take that ghee in your palms and then make it. So this is how I do my high protein laddu. Good for kids. Pregnancy also it is good. You can skip whichever you don't want, like pregnancy, for pregnancy. But otherwise we can use all the ingredients which I told you. Like very nice high protein. So this is how I do my high protein laddu. Please do comment and subscribe my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. Thank you.